Alright, what's up, guys? So I'm just sitting in my backyard right now, just walking around, cause I'm gonna make another video later on. Um, 'Cause there is supposed to be a bigger rain thing, so I'm literally just gonna sit the camera. I'm just gonna sit in my garage, and then I'm gonna just sit the camera right there, cause it's supposed to have a tornado, and I'm in Florida, so it it was raining very hard yesterday, and I'm in Florida, so technically it rains all the time, and we went to Hurricane Irma and everything. So I mean, it really doesn't. I don't get it. Why does this thing, like, why does Florida have so many? Yeah, that was, um, yeah, they definitely got the team up, but they're good there, but they're good there. Yeah, but yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just sitting here. It just came and freaking put raindrops literally all over me. I don't know why, but it did. Yeah, but it just put raindrops all over me now. I don't really care. Yeah, but that's what I'm doing technically. I'm just sitting here and technically under my tree right now. That's the main thing that look at this bird up there. I'll zoom in. What is he at? See, that's a crow. He's just sitting right there minding his business, and then yeah, he's just sitting there minding his business. But yeah, there's so many lizards. Look, there is. You probably can't see them, but over here in these bushes, there's so many lizards. Up there, there's so many lizards. Yeah, there's literally so many lizards. Oh yeah, okay, guys. So it's these kids. They always run around, right? And there is a snake somewhere. Well, I gotta watch it. But there's always these kids running around places, and I'm gonna just like kind of set up the camera and put it just right there where they are, because they always just running around looking for snakes, and I think that they're out in the morning. I'm gonna get on top of my roof, and then that's what I'm gonna do. The video is gonna be later on today, because sometimes they'll go out in certain point of times to do this. So technically, that's why I'm gonna do it later on today. Yeah, that was my garage. I just went in there. It's completely dark. I didn't even know that it was dark. I just went out, opened the door, like I don't know if it's dark. I didn't even know if it was dark. Oh my god, there is a wet thing right there. But my brother has my GoPro, so I can't do that right now because my brother has my GoPro. Jesus, these crows, if you were here, you would actually shoot them because they really get on my nerves. That's all they do. They be bark, 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 bark. That's all they do. I just woke up. No, okay, my God. Dude, this thing is getting annoying. Now there's a woodpecker up here. Where's that? Where's that? Dude, woodpecker, shut up. I don't know if you can hear that, but there's a woodpecker over there somewhere. He's just being right annoying. Oh yeah, by the way. Oh, what? I think these are different. What? I think these are a different tree. Oh my Jesus. I might want to go put a shirt on because it's pretty hot out here. I'm not even gonna lie. Did I just say hot out here? I mean, I said it's cold out here. So what I'm gonna do now? I'm gonna go get a shirt. Shut up, bird. I don't know if I can hear, but I gotta watch out for my. Oh my Jesus! I just fell.
Keep the dogs outside in the backyard.
Okay,
Hurry up and find
I need
them.
a shirt. Need a shirt.
No, you better not get no shirt right back up. You better not fucking with no shirt.
What that is about. So now I just gotta go put my dogs out. Technically, I don't know why, but I do. Alright, now we gotta put all these dogs up at once. So, yeah, I think the reason why gate is open. And then these heifers, they always freaking run over my feet. Hey, come on, come on. Backyard, backyard. Come on, baby boy, backyard. Yeah. So all I gotta do now, you guys wanna see one of my dogs. That's one of my dogs right there.